My name is Andrew Utelio. I'm from Base A2C. This is my video speech titled Agricultural Applications of Lipids and Protein Metabolism. Lipids and proteins plays important role in agriculture, contributing plant growth, livestock nutrition, and soil health. In plant, lipid serves as a source of energy and structural components. Lipids, phospholipids, for instance, from the cell membrane that protect plant cells, and the main, their shape. Triglycerides are a type of lipid stores that plants use in growth, flowering, and seed development. In livestock, farming lipids are concentrated energy source in animal feed. They provide essential fatty acids animals cannot produce themselves. Healthy fats improve the quality of milk, meat, and eggs. Moreover, lipids supports reproductive health and boosts immune systems in function in livestock. Protein metabolism is equally important in crops. Proteins are responsible for enzyme production, which regulate plant growth and defense mechanism. Nitrogen absorbed from the soil is the key element in forming proteins. Farmers often use natural-based fertilizer to ensure healthy plant growth. For animals, proteins metabolism support muscle development, milk production, and overall growth. Livestock in formulated with protein-rich ingredients like soybean meal and fish meal to meet their nutrition needs. Amino acids, the building blocks of proteins, aids to tissue the repair immune response. By understanding and managing lipids and proteins, metabolism farmers can enhance crop yields, produce healthier livestock, and ensure sustainable agricultural practices. Efficient nutrient management also reduces waste, minimizes environmental impact, and supports global food production.